1976, Steve Jobs co-founded Apple Computer, Inc., a company that aimed to make personal computing a staple of everyday life. His partner, Steve Wozniak, a technical genius, designed the Apple I, a single-board computer sold as a kit for hobbyists. Jobs, with his marketing vision, handled business operations. Working out of Jobs' garage in Los Altos, California, they developed the Apple II, launched in 1977. Unlike its predecessor, the Apple II was a fully assembled personal computer with color graphics, a keyboard, and expandability, making it accessible and appealing to a broader market. Its success, driven by Jobs' focus on a user-friendly design and Wozniak's engineering, established Apple as a pioneer in the burgeoning personal computer industry. By 1980, Apple went public, valued at $1.8 billion, setting the stage for its transformative impact on technology. These are the early Apple stories, as written by the amazing people and colorful personalities that collaborated to make computing what we know it today. It's the mustache that matters. From folklore.org. Author Andy Hertzfeld, September 1980. Burrell was hired into Apple in February 1979 as Apple employee number 282, in the lowly position of service technician, one of the lowest paying jobs at the company. Even though he'd been doing genius quality work as a hardware designer on the Macintosh project for a while now, and he was even filling in for Steve Wozniak on the low-cost Apple II project, he still wasn't officially promoted to engineer as he requested, which was getting pretty frustrating. Burrell started thinking about what it would take to get promoted. It obviously wasn't a matter of talent or technical skill, since he was already far more accomplished in that regard than most other hardware engineers. It wasn't a matter of working harder, since Burrell already worked harder and was more productive than most others. Finally, he noticed something that the other engineers had in common that he was lacking. They all had fairly prominent mustaches. And the engineer managers tend to have even bigger mustaches. Tom Whitney, the engineering VP, had the largest mustache of all. So Burrell immediately started growing his own mustache. It took around a month or so for it to fully come in, but finally, he pronounced it complete. And sure enough, that very afternoon, he was called into Tom Whitney's office and told that he was promoted to member of technical staff as a full-fledged engineer.